Okay, mount your camera on landscape on tripod, alright? Make sure your bottle is being positioned, then you walk in, then you jump up. So you jump up now, then you go and turn the other way around. Look at what I am going to be doing, okay? You go and come out from this other side. You will see me now as I am going to be walking in. Turn the other way around. You are going to see me now. Look at me there. Then you walk in. As you walk in now, you want to be picking up that bottle, all right? As you pick up the bottle, you look at the bottle. You are surprised. I thought that something is inside this bottle. Then you do as if you pour it out. Then you drop it in shock. You run away like you see me do, okay? After that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. Add, import it, then you click on it. Go and locate volume, okay? Click on volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back now. So at this point, we want to mark out an empty background we want to use for this video or this tutorial, okay? Go back. Mark on this place now and make a split, all right? Then you go and locate overlay. Look for overlay, guys. Look for overlay. Click on overlay now. Click on the video and drag it to the beginning of the video. Take it to the beginning. So at this point now, you come back. You want to click on the empty background now. Go and look for freeze, all right? Look for freeze. Click on freeze now. Click on freeze now. Click on freeze, then click on it and drag it to the duration of your video. Then you come back now, all right? Then at this point, look at this place. Immediately you jump up, all right? You click on the video. You go and look for freeze again, okay? Locate freeze again. Click on freeze now. Click on it, this freeze part, and reduce it a bit. After reducing it now, okay, look at what we are going to be doing. Go and locate where you are walking out for the second time. Go and look at this point. Go back. Then mark on it now and make a split, guys. Make a split. Make a split. Click on it. Make a split. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. So click on this one now and drag it to that your freezed part. All right. Drag it to the freeze part. Drag it to the freeze part. So at this point, come and click the freeze part now. Click the freeze part. Click on it. Go and locate remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Click on auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we want to make this image move. You click on keyframe now. Then you push the image up. Push the image up now. As you push it up, then you move a bit. Then you drag it to the front. Then you can crop it a little bit. That is if you like, all right? If you don't like, then you go to the end of the freezed part now. You go to the end. Then you now bring it down to the bottle. Then you crumple it. Crumple that character and put him inside that bottle. Crumple the character and put the character inside the bottle now, all right? Crumple the character now. You put the character inside bottle. At this point, this part is ready, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. Welcome to the tutorial. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is locate this place. As you are walking out now, immediately you walk out, you pick the bottle, then you look as if you are checking something. You are surprised. I thought that something is in this bottle. Then after watching it for some time, you do as if you pour something out. At this place is where you are going to be clicking add overlay now. So we want to click on add overlay. We want to import our monster. Then import the monster green screen to workspace, all right? Then you go and locate where you want this monster green screen to start from, all right? So go and locate where you want it to start from. Just wait. Immediately you come out. as you want to make a shout, you click on it and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then click on this one and drag it to that point where you want to pour out that bottle. Drag it to that point. Then you click on the green screen. Now we want to go and locate remove BG. Click on the green screen. As you click on the green screen, we want to go and locate remove BG. All right, click on it, go and locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, chroma key. You drag it, then you mark on that good and go back. Okay, so at this point now you want to click it again. Click on that green screen monster again. Go and look for adjust, right? Look for adjust. Click on adjust. Click on adjust, locate HSL, click on it. Mark on that green, reduce saturation to 100%. Then you mark on that good, then you go back. So at this point now, look at what we are going to be doing. Immediately you want to pour that bottle out. You want to add keyframe again, all right? Look at what I'm going to be doing now. Go and locate keyframe. Then you add your keyframe. Then you crumple this monster and take it to the mouth of that bottle that you are holding. Take it to the mouth of the bottle, crumple it well, crumple it tight. Crumple it tight. After crumpling it, you adjust the video, then you start pulling it out and dragging it down. All right, pull it out and drag it down. Okay, start pulling it out again. After pulling it out, you drag it down. All right, look at what we are going to achieve now. After you drag it out, after dragging it out, let us see what we have got here. Just take time to do your adjustment. Okay, let's see how this point run away. This is good. All right, then take time to do your necessary adjustments. As you can see, I did some adjustment. That is what I am doing. Do your own adjustments so that it will play smooth. All right, after what we are going to be doing is to make a cut and delete the necessary part. We have gotten what we want. All right, before you come out again, click on this very place and make a split. All right, click on the second one, make a split. Click on the background, make a split. You delete this, you click this, delete it. Click on this one and delete it. So at this point, this video is ready. We are going to be playing it now to see what we have got so far. All right, let's play the video and see what we have got. So as we are playing the video, if there are corrections to make, you make your necessary corrections. All right, but at this point, I'm assuring you that this video is ready. Okay, what will be remaining here now is to add our effects, sound effects, light effects, and other effects as the case may be. And after adding them, you can export this video. But to make this, you are saying I don't know how to add those effects. I want you to pull me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. All you need to do is just go at the description of this video. My number is there. Just go and DM me. As you DM me, I'll put you through on how you are going to add your necessary effects. And after adding them now, you can now export your video with ease. But there is another thing you want to know or you want to understand about this video. Remember, you used an auto remove BG, which is a pro feature. Don't forget that. And you know, you are not a pro member now. You are not allowed to use a feature. So if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. But don't worry, we have got you covered on that as well. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Just go and watch the video, then you will learn how to export this your video without any difficulties. Then you come back and export this your video now, then you share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, and don't forget to locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you love what we are doing, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.